What's going on, guys? Kyle Bradshaw here with Nelson Rigg. Oh, a huge shout out to RedLabel MX for getting the wrap for this bike overnighted. Literally, they made the wrap yesterday. They put it in the mail yesterday afternoon, and it's here today. And I am so stoked to see what this thing is going to look like. Custom 1190 Adventure R graphics. This is going to be sweet. All right, what do we have over here? Again, huge shout out to RedLabel MX Graphics for getting this thing handled super fast. Oh man. So here's some of the components that we have. These are going to be up on the front fender. Super cool. This guy right here is going to go... Oh, this must be the other side. And yeah, it's going to take me a few minutes to get this thing all laid out, but eventually what we're going to have, Rigg Gear Adventure is going to be on the side of the motorcycle, powered by Nelson Rigg. It's going to take me a little while, so I'm going to put you guys on time lapse and take you off of video until I get this thing sorted out. So stay tuned. RedLabel, made right here in the USA. Ooh-wee! Take a look at that sharp new wrap from RedLabel MX. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. The wrap on this bike was actually pretty easy to do. A little bit of time, a little bit of patience, making sure each of the panels was laid down correctly. But man, that bike sure makes this Rigg Gear product pop. Again, we're here at the AIM Expo 2022. There's going to be about 2,500 dealers here coming to take a look at the Rigg Gear Adventure line of product. This whole Hurricane collection is new for 21-22, and it's phenomenal. So if you guys are interested in any of this gear, get down to your dealer today and ask them why they're not carrying Rigg Gear Adventure product from Nelson Rigg. You'll notice that it says powered by Nelson Rigg. Nelson Rigg is the main company, and Rigg Gear Adventure is our adventure slash off-road slash side-by-side sub-brand that we brought out in order to distinguish it from our rain gear and our Route 1 luggage for the cruisers, Harley Davidsons, things of that nature. Anyway, Nelson Rigg, we got tons of stuff going on. Super exciting. Again, thank you, RedLabel. The overnight FedEx shipment came through, and this bike looks stunning and is going to be here presented at the AIM Expo 2022. For more information about any of these bags, please visit nelsonrigg.com. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.